A senior official in the ZANU-PF Secretary General's office has asserted that communications issued from that office take precedence over circulars from individual departments unless overruled by higher authorities within the party presidium. Zanabira mashoko buda panguva inoi ichionekwa kunzi a ZANU-PF official says Chinamasa overstepped authority panhau yemacirculars amuri kuona kuti ndo ari kutsviridza achikonzeresa chaos mubato raimbozivikanwa nemukurumbira rune runyararo. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The remarks follows a directive issued by ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa on 30 June 2025, which is sought to clarify the procedure for co-opting members into the Central Committee. However, the official maintained that Chinamasa's circular cannot override the earlier directive issued by Secretary General Obet Mpofu on 5 June 2025. Mpofu's circular, which reportedly blocked businessman Kudakoshi Tagwirei from being co-opted into the party's powerful 342-member Central Committee between Congresses, was issued first. Chinamasa then attempted to withdraw and replace it with his own directive later that month. Speaking to the news house, the official stressed that only Mpofu, who is Chinamasa's superior within the party hierarchy, is the authority to revoke or amend a circular from the Secretary General's office. Even with mutual consent, the official added, such a move would still be considered procedurally flawed and unconstitutional. The official asserted that the Secretary General, previously known as the Secretary for Administration, is the official responsible for managing party affairs. The official argued that the Secretary for Legal Affairs, like other departmental heads, is limited to their portfolio. Domashko arikuda panguva inoi arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi hazvina kumira zvakanaka mubato rinonzi rinobata ZANU-PF. Ndinakomesa section medu kuti mafungiro enyu moti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndinakomesa section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.